Hi everyone, it's Naveen Kumar from KPMG, who heads the facility and admin team, and it's for Pan India, right?
Yeah, it's from South.
Also South. Okay, we'll do it again. Hi everyone, I'm with Naveen Kumar. Naveen Kumar heads the facility and admin team for the South of India for KPMG. First of all, Naveen, very congratulations for winning the leadership award at Facility Meet. How do you feel about it?
Great, feels wow about it. Pleasure being here.
Okay. So, awards just don't come. There must be a lot of effort and someone must have judged that. So, what do you want to say about, what is that thing which you have done motivates you?
Been in the industry since last 20 years. As and when the responsibilities comes to you, you need to blindly take it over and then have the passion to get things in place and be very service oriented, and you're there. So that's what have been the mantra behind my achievements till date.
Okay. So when I was in college, I never heard the word facility manager. Okay, but 20 years back, you choose to take up this as a career. How did it all happen?
I was part of an scheme or a national savings scheme in college, and I was leading the this particular service oriented wing where we used to go to different villages and then monitor and then train them how to keep their place clean and all. So that was the motivation, and then from there there's a department called administration where there's few of my friends who had joined, and I used to love to manage or any such events or an office space. So I started from there and I did not break, and then from there I continued till date. I'm really passionate about my job, and I love my job. That's how I am here.
Okay. What I've understood from after talking to a lot of facility management calls for a lot of sacrifices and commitment. Okay, and when I say sacrifices, you know what I'm talking about. Families are one of the important things. So how do you manage that?
Luckily, I don't have this problem because I love to do this job. Every day is a new day, and you learn a lot of things, and it is not a monotonous job. So every day you get a different type of problem. You are a captain for problems. That's
what I'm talking about. Is your family on the other side? How do you?
That's what.
How does your weekend look like?
Weekend looks. It's ups and downs. You have both. Okay, you have both. There are cases where family feels, "Boss, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?" But overall, when you look at it, I and family are happy about what we are doing. So overall, there is ups and downs. It needs to be managed. There is no other second choice about it.
A lot of young people who wants to jump into this career. What is that one advice which you want to give them? If they become a facility manager, they should do this as a regime.
You need to have an attitude, challenging attitude, never die attitude. These are the two big things which you need to have. Okay. So that's when you need to get into it. And if you feel disturbed for small things, small hurdles, then this is not the place. So yeah, so you need to have a good attitude towards work, service, and and you will automatically grow up the ladder. That's what I can say.
So normally, see, everyone has some role model in life. Okay, and people who inspires you, who keeps you motivated, whenever you are. So is there anyone who motivates you?
For me, I myself, I love the way I handle things. In a sense, every time when you achieve something, that itself pumps up and then motivates you to reach the next level. So that's what has been in my career throughout. Every time I achieve something, I'm always again waiting for an opportunity again to achieve something else.
Right.
So that's how it is.
Very nice. Thank you, Naveen.
Hi, I'm Shrikant Acharya and I'm the CEO of Offineeds.com. We help businesses to plan and purchase office stationery and daily office supplies.
Hi, my name is Gautam. I'm the founder of Neosystem. We help more than 500 plus companies go green and do whatever they wish.
If you watched this interview and you really liked it, you should visit www.fmwalloffame.com to watch several more interviews